Yeah, so this is a new prototype build. So the chassis is not out there yet. So screw on body mounts because you don't want to lose your body in comp. Flat rail chassis, my own design with that of the team, giving more clearance. It's got Muse axles, the new cheat codes to give more steering. Roller bumper for clearance. 4S Reefs transmission, Reefs 88848, 888 4S servo, HD Holmes ESC, team spec revolver, and a raised drive line.
It looks like a really light build.
For me, very light.
Yeah.
It's 2.324, I think.
Yeah. It's about
Whereas I'm normally hitting on 3 kgs for heavy rigs, but it has got brass in it. There's trail brass inside the knuckles.
Yeah.
And then the new Punks clearance 1.9 wheels.
The trail brass fits straight on the Mears axles. Yeah. Nice.
Actually, I think this one's still got the stock Mears ones on, but yeah, it does.
What tyres and inserts are you running?
So they are inserts made by one of my team drivers.
Yeah.
And ARB RC they're called, and these are the Crux Reefs tyres.
Oh, cheers, David.
So there you go, guys. Thank you very much for Gareth for showing us round his Class 2, UK Class 2 legal competition truck. I believe this will be available soon. I'm going to link to everything in the description below if you're interested. Thank you for watching this one, and I hope to see you all in the next video.